Alright, Teresa Salute, another welcome for Football and Building. After match, talk about how you see them. I beg, if you know, say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, turn on the notification button. Manchester United 2 and Newcastle United 0. This one at the Carabao Cup final. After match, talk about how you see them when people will sabi plenty or you go call them post-match interview and we get Oga Gordon will be like say, now Ogbonge Man U fan, Ogbonge person make tell us about how he see in team performance today. Oga Gordon, firstly, may I congratulate you first because your team don't deliver. Una don't win the 2022-2023 Carabao Cup. How you dey feel as a Man U fan? How you dey feel as a football fan when your team don't lift this trophy now?
I feel so happy. You understand already? I don dey talk and say we get 3 trophies this season to carry. But na 2 dey sure well.
So this one now na one remain
This
2.
one na 1. This one na be the first one wey from starting I don dey tell everybody say this one na carry over match. We dey collect am na sure banker. Then the next one na Europa. After Europa, Premier League, we dey collect all. So this one already na banker. I no dey even as I come sef, I dey come with enjoyment to come sit down enjoy myself say man you don collect this one like this.
So to you now, with the way your team take dey play before this final, zero pressure for you as a Man U fan coming to this final.
Yes o. Before sef I post am na like 2 weeks back. I post 4 matches na Man U bin get, which is back on Thursday their first leg and Premier League on Sunday, which is with Leicester City. Then back again on Thursday with this match. I say inside that 4 matches, Man U must win 3, draw 1. But as God do am too, na so e happen. So already I don already get that confidence because Man U just be like how I call am king of the jungle right now. Wey be say they no want any defeat. Wetin you just dey find now na winning to complete this season. Na wetin Man U dey find like this.
No be lie, clear. So I wan ask you about today performance now. Which player you go say na him be your man of the match? The player wey play pass all the rest Man U players. Who you go give the award to?
For today match I wan give am to Rashford o. On a normal, Rashford na still dey my mind because he still deliver. Back am Rashford must score goal. I talk am even as I call am say Rashford get 1 goal and as the team must be, he score goal. So but Wan-Bissaka try. Wan-Bissaka na be one kind guy wey be say anytime you put am for match, just get hope say you see that defense e dey close and reach the end. E dey make sure say that guy wey say him dey hot, say him be striker, him dey hot, e dey quench the guy. Either him give am injury or him make sure say the guy no see anything play till match end. So man of the match goes to Wan-Bissaka today. He try well. He defends to my satisfaction today match.
So Oga Godwin, this competition, this cup na the first cup wey Manchester United dey win since 2017 under Jose Mourinho wey Manchester United win the Europa League. How you see the work when your manager Eric Ten Hag dey do right now with this club? How you see the work? Take on the people, make dem hear from you.
Normally I dey talk am say after when Sir go as this Eric Ten Hag come Man U, e just the spirit of Sir na carry come back. Alex Ferguson na the spirit he carry come back. He say come he no just come to give Man U winning, but he come to build Man U back again, to come back to that their normal faith of winning games. So actually for that man, in changes dey always be like miracle, dey bring goals. I dey talk am every day. That man changes na 1 in a million. Anytime he change, even if he put the most flop player, forget in calculation na 100%.
So wetin you get to tell other Man U fans now as una dey celebrate this trophy wey una don win today?
Wetin I get to tell my fellow Man U fan be say may we keep the good work going. More trophy dey come with us. As long as say we get hope and we get faith for this our new manager, more trophy dey come for us. So I believe that man for that one. Im work dey speak for am. No need for him to make boast of himself. Already in good works dey represent am for anywhere wey him dey.
So before you go, wetin you get to tell all the opposition fans? Chelsea, Arsenal, Liverpool, all of them, even Barcelona sef wanna collect this midweek. Wetin you get to tell all the opposition fans?
Wetin I need to tell people, I no need to tell Bakainsi because they know the Premier League. Like this now na Man City and Arsenal now I need to tell something. Arsenal
What of Chelsea and Liverpool?
Chelsea grace wey I dey give Chelsea na make dem try reach top that 8 for table before the Premier League finish. But Arsenal, I still dey tell Arsenal say fear our return. Man City, make una no think say we dey sleep, we just dey leave that second for now, we dey come. Una just wait for us, we dey come.
All right now, Oga Godwin, thank you. People, now una loyal boy across wey dey loyal like loyal me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you no forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share am with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, dey for the description for inside this video.